Hi, I'm Kat, and in this tutorial I'll show you how I created this makeup look specifically to make green eyes pop using a red eyeliner. I started with clean skin and I used my Body Mary Super 6 serum. I rubbed that into my entire face and down my neck and a little bit on my chest as well. Then I used my Dior Hydra Life moisturizer. This is a really great moisturizer that's heavy in the hyaluronic acid to hold in water. Then I used my Volition Prismatic Luminizing Shield. This is a fantastic SPF that goes on really smooth underneath makeup, and it has light reflecting particles, so it is luminizing and makes your makeup just look that much brighter and more luminous. I used that across my entire face and down my neck. Then I used my Teint Idole Ultra Stick from Lancome. I put that all over my face, and then I worked that in using this flat foundation brush. I worked that in everywhere except under my eyes because I was going to put quite a bit of concealer on there to cover up those dark circles. I used my Idole Minerals concealer under my eyes, a little bit on my eyelids, and then anywhere where I had redness or any blemishes, I patted that in with my fingers. Then I sealed it with my Maybelline mineral powder on a large fluffy brush. I put that anywhere where my face is prone to creasing. Then I used my Brow Bar to Go from Gerard Cosmetics in the light brown to blonde palette. I mixed both of the powders together in that. I did the tails first, then underlined the bottom of the brows, and then brushed the product into the rest of the brow just to give a little bit more definition. I didn't want to shape them too much though. Then I used my Rose Metals palette from Velvet 59. I started with Rose Silver all over the lids, then I dipped into 22K and worked that into the crease and outer V, and once that was deep enough in color, I blended out the top of that with a clean fluffy brush. Then I used my Lancome Hypnose Stylo in red. This is a fantastic product. It comes with its own little sharpener in the end of the pen, so I sharpened that up and went in to use that as my eyeliner. You can use this as an eyeshadow, but I really love using it as an eyeliner because it is so long lasting. I did my upper lash line first, working that in to make sure I didn't have any gaps. Then I lined upper and lower lids, and then I went into the lower waterline and finished off that look with a small cat eye. Once I was done with that eyeliner, I curled my lashes, and then I went in with the Shock Mascara in black. I chose black for this just to create a little bit more contrast between my lashes and that red eyeliner. I like to shimmy that into the roots of the lashes, then I do the tops of the lashes, curling them out, and then I do the outer half of the lower lashes as well. Next, I used my deck of Scarlet. This is the number 4 edition. I started with the color Adorable. This is a little bit more of a brick red than I usually use for my blush, but I wanted to go more red for this rather than peach that I usually do, so it wouldn't conflict with the tones in that eyeliner. After I had done that, I used my Han Skincare Cosmetics bronzer in Ibiza. I put that all the way around my hairline. I dipped into my temples a little bit and provided a little bit of definition underneath my cheekbones, then along my jawline, underneath my chin, and anywhere I wanted to warm up this look. After the bronzer, I went in with my Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops. I did the tip of my nose, and then I skipped a little gap between the tip and the bridge of my nose. I patted that onto my upper cheekbones, then a little bit on my brow bones, and a little bit on the Cupid's bow as well, just for some nice definition there. Then I dipped into Sasha from the deck of Scarlet and applied that with a nice wide lip brush. I love this neutral nude color, and it's a really long-lasting creamy lipstick. And that is the finished look. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this one, let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.